Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to turn your WordPress website into dark mode in 2025. So whether you are designing a modern look or just want something easier on the eyes, this particular tutorial is perfect for beginners. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on your WordPress dashboard. Over here, hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of add plugins. Over here, you need to search for the WP dark mode plugin. So this is the plugin that we want. This is from WP pool. So you need to click on the install button and activate it successfully. This particular plugin actually lets you add the dark mode instantly to both the front end and the back end. Now, after the activation, you can hover over to the left hand section and you can hover over to WP dark mode. Over here, click on the settings. Now here in your settings, you can see we have the front end dark mode option, and this particular option is turned on. So I would recommend you to turn it on. So this will allow the visitors to see your website in the dark mode. As you can see, if it is turned on and if I just open my website in a new tab, you can see my website is now in the dark mode. So this is the front end. You can also enable the floating switch so that user can toggle between the light and the dark mode. For that, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of customization. In the customization option, you can go to the switch settings, and you can also go to the style section and choose your preferred dark theme style, button placements and colors. Once you are done with it, simply click on the save changes option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you can view your website and it will show now that you have a clear dark look on the website. So still in WP dark mode settings, you can enable the backend. So for the backend, you need to come over here and try to find the backend dark mode. If you are able to find it over here, simply just click on the enable option, and this will also turn your WordPress backend in the dark mode. So this is how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.